In today's video, we are going to compare the Pova 5 to its predecessor, the Pova 4. The Pova 5 has just recently released, so it will win. The Pova 5 is thinner, so it will also win. We don't have any information yet about the weight of the Pova 5, but we hope it is lighter. Both phones have the same build, so both phones win a point. The Pova 5 has the faster refresh rate, so the Pova 5 wins. The Pova 5 has the smaller display. However, it has a better resolution, so it will also win. The Pova 5 runs the latest Android, so it will win here. Both phones run the same chipset, so it is a tie. We don't know yet if the Pova 5 has a micro SD slot. However, it offers more storage variants, so the Pova 5 wins. Both offers the same rear and front camera, so it will be a tie in the two categories. The Pova 5 offers faster charging, so it will win here. The Pova 5 offers more colors, also the Pova 5 wins. We don't have any price yet for the Pova 5, but it still offers more option in storage, so it will win. Overall, the Pova 5 is a true upgrade from the Pova 4. If you are planning to upgrade, I recommend to buy it. So, this is where the video ends. I hope you to subscribe and click the bell icon for more content.